How to log in MetaTrader 5 account. So if you want to log into your MetaTrader 5 account, then first you need to open up your MetaTrader application. Make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store and tap on the application and open up the application. Once you've opened, you can simply go for the chords, which is here on the bottom left, and then go for the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and here you will have get started option on the upper side. Simply tap on get started, and from here, if you haven't added any trade accounts yet, then tap add. Then to add, tap the plus in the upper right corner. So tap on the plus and then tap on the MetaQuick Software Corporation, and from here you can log into your existing account. So if you already have an account, then enter the login username or something, or login ID on the first blank, and then enter the password, and you need to enter the server. And if you want to save your password, then tap on save password, but if you don't want to save it, then untap it and then tap on login and your account will be logged in. But if you don't remember your password, tap on forgot password and you can reset or recover your password. So that's it. Enter your credentials and then tap on login and you'll be logged into your MetaTrader 5 account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.